Good afternoon, my people, my family on here. Welcome back to yet another installment of the pool area, the pool deck. It's been a pain in my tailbone past 2 weeks. Haven't really recorded much. And progress, yes, there is a lot of progress. To be honest with you, I just don't have time moving the camera around. I just want to get it done. I'm gonna keep it real with you. As you can see here, excuse me, sawdust got me sneezing. Pump and filter in. For some reason, that little port down there at the bottom, that little thing is leaking. So now I need to tip it, drain some of the water, and see what. I didn't put the filter together. I didn't supervise it either. So that's the only place I'm leaking from. Other than that, the pool is good to go. Skim will be here tomorrow so we can get it clean because all this sawdust. I did tell them, wait till I'm done with all this woodwork before putting the pool up, but they don't listen. But it's all right. I got them a net and a skimmer. So once I'm done with this thing, boy, oh boy, I'm gonna take like 2 weeks off. The garden out there suffering. It's in shambles right now. Weeds everywhere. It's getting water, but just weeds everywhere. Cucumber trees are about dead. The vine's about dead. Okra is overbearing. I gotta pick those off and probably take them to church in the morning, give them away. See who wants them. My garden's suffering for sake of this damn pool. But it's almost done though. It's almost done. Doing the last piece. And this, you can see I'm cutting here. You can see there's a difference between that wood and right there. This is gonna be a step up. So you just step off into the pool. Okay. I'm gonna get back to work and bring y'all back, show you some progress. Tripod's in the truck. I'm stuck between these boards, stuck between the joists, cutting, measuring. So I'm gonna get back to work, at least show you what I'm going through over here. All right, hang tight. Honestly, should take these off, mark them, cut them, then put them back on. But it's me alone right now. Everybody else went inside because it's too hot. I'm done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 9 more to go. Hey, see if it's in there. Hey, in the bin. Right here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To knock this out. It is the next day, and I am getting ready to lay deck boards. A big old mess on it there. And get the leaf blower, blow all that out. So my Vevor pool pump plugged in yesterday. It worked fine. We had some leaks. Shut it off to see what the problem was and fixed the problem. Plugged it back in, no power. Currently I have the pump that came with the pool running. It is a headache. Now I need to take this to work tomorrow, figure it out, see what the issue is, and hopefully get it working again. If not, I'll be ordering another pump because that pump, the best way pump, does nothing but make a lot of noise. It's not moving any water at all. None. See, just sitting still. No water's being moved. I really don't want to be out here I'd rather be resting, watching a movie, chilling. Good. I need to finish this. Part is deck boards. Well, you see, I need to mark that, cut that extra 3/4 inch or whatever it is off, and once that is in place, I can start running the boards. I forgot I had to pressure wash that tarp to pull over the pool, try and save some of the sawdust going in there when I started cutting. So I had to stop, go get it. Let me go and pull it over the pool, bungee cord it, and keep some of this crap out because, like I said, it's filthy. You can hear the pump running. It's down there, but it ain't doing nothing at all. I gotta get one of those cleaners also put down in there, vacuum all that crap up. I forgot I needed to build a frame right here, and this is going to give access to the filter and the pump. So now I still need to move all these back, build a frame, put it in there, and then we should be good to go. I just want to finish at least this step up section today, at least that one. Hit the record. All right. Thank you.
Hello. She's starting the intro. Hello. And she's going to knock on the door.
Nope. Needs to be saved.
So, the thing, like the
Is it
bubble.
recorded?
Yes.
You can't talk into the phone. It's recorded.
So, the bubble, does it mean that it's straight?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wondering.
All right, you're gonna have to watch out from there. I gotta cut. Just leave it there.
Yeah.
Go that way. Measure twice, cut once. Ah, that's why. That is why. Come on, boy. Wake up, wake up. That's in the pocket. Okay. Let's do this again. Butter. Just like butter. Okay. Now, screws. This isn't good enough. See? Right. Right. That's done. Bruh. Damn.
There.
Where's the phone?
Right here. It didn't crack.
Well, it's framed up, and saw camera fell. Excuse me. This sawdust got me sneezing. But the phone is all right. Just broke the bracket. So I have a couple of spares in the house. See if Lily can get me one. Get this set back up, and show you guys the progress as it comes along. Oh.